Judging by your clicks, you're ready for the next level tech era. Every time we check our feeds, sci-fi dreams are becoming reality, fast. Today, we're diving into 6 inventions: flying cars, autonomous taxis, foldable mobility, and smart health gadgets. Buckle up. Let's see how tomorrow is arriving today. Let's kick things off with a glimpse into the future of personal transportation. First up, we have the GAC Govy AirCar, a vehicle that's not just dreaming of flight, but actively pursuing it. This innovative machine features a 2-part system designed for both road and air. It's a modular approach to urban mobility. The first part is a road chassis, essentially a fully functional electric car. This allows for everyday driving. The second key component is a detachable eVTOL air capsule. This is where the magic happens, transforming your car into a personal aircraft. Imagine this. You drive to a designated vertiport, a hub for aerial commutes. There, your pod lifts off and flies, soaring above the congested streets below. And here's the kicker: no pilot needed. The entire flight is autonomous. The GAC Govy AirCar is powered by a hydrogen-electric hybrid system, a forward-thinking approach to propulsion. This design is aiming for sustainability and impressive range, making it a potentially viable option for longer commutes. It's fully autonomous, relying on advanced AI and sensor technology for safe navigation. As a passenger, you just set your destination using a simple interface and go, enjoying a smooth and efficient journey. GAC is ambitiously targeting certification in Asia, a crucial step towards making this vision a reality. Following certification, the company plans for mass production to follow, scaling up to meet potential demand. This innovative approach could turn gridlock into a smooth, 3-dimensional commute, revolutionizing urban transportation as we know it. Prepare to witness the future of transportation. Meet the XPeng AeroHT, a marvel of engineering that's set to revolutionize personal mobility. It's not just a car, it's what they call the land aircraft carrier, a groundbreaking concept that merges the capabilities of an all-terrain vehicle with the freedom of flight. This is a 6-wheeled electric beast built to conquer any terrain. It's designed to handle the roughest landscapes with ease, offering unparalleled stability and control. But that's not all. It's also carrying a detachable 2-person eVTOL. This electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft is your ticket to the skies, offering a seamless transition from road to air. Drive to the wild, exploring remote locations previously inaccessible by conventional vehicles. Then, when the road ends, take off for real adventure, soaring above the landscape. Experience the thrill of flight and discover breathtaking views from a whole new perspective. With up to 1,000 kilometers air range, you can explore vast distances, discover hidden gems and remote destinations with the confidence to travel further than ever before. And with dual manual autopilot modes, you're always in control. Whether you prefer the hands-on experience of manual flight or the convenience of automated navigation, the choice is yours. It's built for both thrill-seekers, pushing the boundaries of adventure, and casual explorers seeking new ways to experience the world. Over 3,000 pre-orders already demonstrate the excitement surrounding this vehicle. With certification in China aimed for 2026, the future of flight is closer than you think. It's redefining what a weekend getaway can be, turning ordinary trips into extraordinary adventures. Imagine a world where traffic jams are a thing of the past, where your commute transforms from a tedious crawl to an exhilarating flight. The Klein Vision AirCar is the transformer of your dreams, blurring the lines between automotive and aviation engineering. It's not science fiction. It's a marvel of engineering, a car that becomes a plane in under 2 minutes. Witness the seamless transition. Fold out the wings, a crucial step in unlocking the AirCar's aerial potential. Extend the tail, completing the aerodynamic transformation for flight. And just like that, you're airborne, soaring at speeds of up to 300 kilometers per h. Feel the freedom as you lift off, With a range of up to 1,000 kilometers, the AirCar opens up a world of possibilities for travel and exploration. It's already EASA certified, meeting rigorous safety standards. This certification is concrete proof that it's more than just a concept, it's a viable and safe mode of transportation. Targeted at private pilots and aviation enthusiasts, the AirCar offers a unique blend of driving and flying experiences. With production underway, it's set for commercial release in 2026, bringing the dream of personal flight closer to reality. This is the closest we've come to a true flying car, a seamless integration of road and air travel. A century-old dream, the stuff of science fiction, is finally real, promising a future where the sky is no longer the limit. Enter the Tesla Cybercab, a robotaxi with no steering wheel pedals or driver's seat. It's a lounge on wheels built for full autonomy and wireless charging. Tesla's full self-driving tech powers a 24/7 fleet, starting with a pilot in Austin, Texas in 2025. If it works, expect rapid global rollout. This could disrupt car ownership and reshape cities. The future of urban transport is driverless. Not all innovation flies. Meet the Revolve Air, the first active wheelchair that folds to carry-on size. Its collapsible wheels and compact shell make travel easy and stress-free. Lightweight and designed for independence, it's a game-changer for travelers. Manufacturing began in 2023, and it's already reaching users, proof that great design empowers everyday life. The Huawei Watch D2 brings hospital-grade health to your wrist with a certified blood pressure monitor. It uses a real inflatable cuff for accurate readings, plus ECG, SPO2, and more. Several days of battery life means continuous monitoring. Already launched in some markets, global expansion is next. It's a leap from fitness tracking to true medical monitoring. 6 innovations, from flying cars to smartwatches, are reshaping our world. These aren't just upgrades, they're bold reimaginings of what's possible. Challenges remain, but the momentum is real. Which invention excites you most? Drop your thoughts below. Thanks for watching. See you in the future.